In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to split a customer response into a new ticket in Freshdesk. This can be particularly useful when a customer sends a reply that introduces a new or unrelated query within an existing ticket. Managing these responses effectively ensures that each issue receives the attention it deserves, as well as allowing you to manage your service level agreements, or SLAs, more efficiently. To start, you'll want to open the ticket that contains the unrelated reply. Think of this as first hunting down where the query has nested before it starts branching out into areas it's not supposed to be in. It's like decluttering a conversation so that each distinct issue can be addressed properly. Navigating to the right ticket might seem straightforward, but it's the crucial first step in taking control of your ticketing system. Once inside the ticket, your goal is to pinpoint the specific customer response that's gone off topic. You'll often find this amidst the usual back and forth of messages. It's the moment where the customer pivoted, perhaps unintentionally, to an entirely separate matter. Finding this can sometimes require looking closely at the time-stamped log of messages or reviewing the content to ensure you're selecting the right message to isolate. With the correct response located, the next step is to hover over or look around the response, carefully checking for the option to split the ticket. This can sometimes be symbolized by an icon or a menu drop-down, depending on the interface update you're working with. It's specifically designed to give you control over the separation process. By clicking the Split Ticket option, you'll initiate a smooth transition of this reply into its own standalone ticket. This task isn't just about tidying up, it's about practical management, enabling your team to address each query as a separate entity, without the clutter of mixing up distinct issues within a single ticket. The beauty of splitting a ticket is that it ensures nothing falls through the cracks. By moving the reply to a new ticket, you can independently track each issue until it's resolved. This also allows more precise tracking of your SLAs, as each issue is documented and managed separately. It helps prevent any confusion that might arise from multiple queries being bundled together, which could delay response times. Splitting tickets might seem like a small action, but with Freshdesk, it can dramatically improve your team's ability to manage tickets efficiently. Make sure to take advantage of this handy feature whenever an unrelated issue arises within a ticket.